All right, up next, my boy and I put together this 4 cubic feet cement mixer, concrete mixer, mortar mixer, whatever your need is, and it was kind of an entry level, just for the hobbyist. Plastic drum, I think they call it resin, whatever. And all the reviews are correct as far as installation. I mean, the assembly of this thing. My boy and I put it together in 1 hour, flat. So I mean, a lot of reviews said that's about right, and it was. Everything's tight, and it's finished. It's ready to use right now. Out of I think it was 49 out of 52 purchasers on the Lowe's website would recommend this product. They talk about it being quiet, and we're just about to pour a concrete countertop, and that's happening, and we may even start tonight. It's about to get dark. I'm hot. It's real humid where I'm at right now, so we're gonna take a break and maybe use this evening. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, the installation's complete, straightforward. The manual was easy to read. The pictorials were nice. So it's definitely easy. $283 at Lowe's is what it cost. So I mean, and I wouldn't have bought it. I had it on the cart. And I was pushing it around the room, trying to get service inside Lowe's, trying to figure out if I was going to keep it or not. And when I come across the reviews, and I don't even think there was a single 3. They were all 4 and 5s on the reviews. So I went ahead and bit the bullet, and I thought I'd try it. So we're going to put it to use real soon, and stay tuned for the time lapse.